So a lot of papers are discussed so far, and this is also one more new set. Again, simplification related question. So we clearly mentioned first we should solve inside the brackets. That too half. They mention half. First to convert this into mixed fraction to fraction. We'll get it like 15 divided by 4 of 36 divided by 7 divided by 9 by 7. This mixed fraction to fraction 10 by 3. This is 7 divided by 4. This is 8 divided by 3 of 6 by 7 divided by 4 upon 5. Right? So half means multiplication, right? Inside the brackets first we need to solve, and that to half is the first one to be resolved. So 36 divided by 7, first solve that. This divided by 9 by 7, we can write it like 7 by 9. This 9, this 9, this 7 cancel. So inside brackets entire equal to 15. Here half first you focus into 6 by 7 divided by 4 by 5 as multiply with 5 by 4. This 7 cancel. 3 ones, 3 2 times. 4 into 4 is 16, 8 into 2 16, cancel. So we got it like 15 into 10 divided by 3 divided by 5 means 15 into 10 divided. So 3 into 5 15 get cancelled. We'll get 10 as the answer. So answer option A 10. See the simplification related question. Solving, we are going to get 10 as the answer. Right? Super. Simplification. Good. Now see the next question. Ratios and simplification combined this one. We have different ratios A, B, okay, B and C somehow related, C and D somehow related. Now question numerator A plus B plus C plus D divided by B plus D whole power 1 by 2. That ratio we need to calculate. So guys, first go for joint ratio. If you are able to calculate A, B, C, D joint ratio, then this question is a bit easy. But how to calculate A, B, C, D joint ratio, sir? So we can use shortcut or you can go for the normal method. So normal method, if you want to apply, same letter, same number required everywhere. Here B 4, but here B 2. Not same. We need to maintain both as same. So multiply this with 2, which is 4 and 6. Right. So from these two, we got A, B, C is nothing but 3, 4, 6. Here C is 6, here C is 1. We don't have same. I need to multiply this with 6 to maintain both same. Now 6 and 12. So finally we can join entire A, B, C, D. This is basic concept. 3, 4, 6 and 12. Right. So C is same here and here. Here also now C is same. Here also B is same. So B same, C same. Then we can combine. Now what is the shortcut is, okay, we have numerator is A plus B plus C plus D. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 12 25. 25 divided by B plus D is 16. Square root for that we need to do, which is nothing but 5 divided by 4. See, one thing directly I can go for this question. Numerator is more than denominator, right? Only one option exists. This is both equal. This is less than numerator, less than denominator. Here also numerator less than denominator. Only one option exists. In fact, I can say this is 25k, 16k, k get cancelled. Yeah, this is 3k, 4k, 6k, 12k like that. we can take all k's and all those is equal to 25k. 25k divided by 16k, which is nothing but 5 upon 4. Right. Got it? Okay. And sir, this is not okay for us. Okay, this is a method where it will take time. I have to check B same or not, C same or not, then combining. Is there any other shortcut? Yes, we can do in directly attack for calculating A, B, C, D, A, B, C, and D ratio. Directly we can attack. A and B is nothing but 3 is to 4. Right, 3 and 4. B and C is 2 and 3. C and D is 1 and 2. Right. Now, guys, see the shortcut. A is nothing but, A is the first one, D is the last one. A is nothing but first column multiplication. Entire left side, A we have to take first column multiplication. 3 into 2 into 1. D is last one, D is last column multiplication. Alright. Okay. My dear friends, you are riding a bike, you have to move from left side to right side, other road. You have to take U-turn. If you want to take U-turn, you cannot come directly from left side to right side. Slightly will move. We'll check whether vehicles are there or not. Slightly will move from left side to right side. No. So one step you move, B is nothing but 4 into 2 into 1. One step right side is 4 into 2 into 1. One more step to the right side, that is nothing but called C. One more step to the right side is C. C is nothing but 4 into 3 into 1. One more step right side, D will come. Right, entire right will be there. See, we are going it a logical way, left side to right side. Now, before concluding, what is common is 2 is common everywhere. Cancel that. That is what your answer 3, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 4 into 3, 12. Guys, this ratio you got. See, this is the shortcut. A is left, first one. So, first column multiplication is A. Okay, and you have last column multiplication, which is nothing but D. B is from left side to right side, one step you are moving. A to B, one step right side moving, one more step moving C, one more step moving D. So that's what A, B, C, D, 3, 4, 16, and 12. Right? Okay. Now the question is A plus B plus C plus D to the power 1 by 2. Okay, divided by B plus D whole power 1 by 2. I'm taking this is A is nothing but 3k, B can be taken as 4k, is it? So A can be considered as 3k, B is 4k, C can be taken as 6k, D can be taken as 12k. Adding all this, we got 25k numerator, denominator B plus D 16k. So that's what, okay, 25k divided by 16k whole power 1 by 2, which is nothing but 5 is to 4. Option A is correct. Right. Excellent. Now see the next question. Simple interest and compound interest related one. Okay. Guys, everyone try this question now. A sum of amount. A sum amounts to rupees 16,000 at the end of 3 years. The amount become okay 16,000 at the end of 3 years, and it become 25,600 at the end of 6 years under compound interest concept. Right. Now find the simple interest if the same amount is invested at 15% per annum for 2 years. Guys, see the question, what they given here clearly. So here, using compound interest concept, 16,000 is the amount. This is amount. So principal into certain rate of interest to the power 3. Whereas it become 25,600 in 6 years. My dear friends, from this we need to calculate principal. First we have to calculate rate of interest. How is it? Divide these equations. No? Second equation, if we divide by first equation, then we'll get 25,600 divided by 16,000 is nothing but 1 plus r divided by 100 whole cube. Right. So here this cancel. This is 820 times, 832 times. In fact, 48 times, 45 times. Okay. Now put that in the equation 1. When you divide these two equations, I'm telling you this is equation 1. This is equation 2. What is this right side happening is equation 2 divided by equation 1. When you perform equation 2 divided by equation 1, this is the result. Okay. Now put that 1 plus r upon 100 whole cube, that expression you put in equation 1. So from first equation, 16,000 is nothing but P into 8 by 5 directly. This is 2,000. P equal to 10,000. So 10,000 is the principal. Now question is, with that principal, 15% per annum for 2 years means, using simple interest concept, interest will be 30%. 1 year 15%, 2 years means 30%. 30% means 3,000 is your answer. See, you have to calculate interest. Simple interest now. Compound interest, this is compound interest concept. Using compound interest, we have to calculate what is the principal. Okay, now using the same sum means principal. Sum is nothing but called principal. Now using the same principal, you have to calculate rate of interest, PTR by 100, principal 10,000, time 2 years, rate of interest 15, divide by 100, which you got it like 3,000. 3,000 is the answer, right? So whereas above one, you see what is happened, right? Compound interest using, okay, other case is directly interest. Simple interest is like addition effect. 15% for 1 year, 2 years means 30%. Okay, so 30%, 2 years it's nothing but 30% we have to apply, right? So 30%. So for 10,000. 10% is nothing but 1,000, 30% is 3,000. Option A is the answer. Combination of simple interest and compound interest. Or you can apply equal to PTR by 100. Up to here, compound interest. Now simple interest. Combination of both they are asking. Right, see the next question. Guys, geometric mean of the data 575 and 9. Everyone solve this? See here, geometric mean, right? So guys, you may know A, B, C. Okay, here B equal to root AC, then we call B is nothing but geometric mean of A and C. But here three terms are given. Geometric mean is nothing but, okay, cube root of 5 into 75 into 9, cube root. Okay, so here 5 into 3 into 25 into 9 whole power 1 by 3. So you can say it's nothing but 5 into 3, 15 is the answer. Cube root not available in virtual calculator. You cannot apply cube root or, okay, square root in virtual calculator, not possible. we have to do all those calculations here. Right. See the next one. If it is 4 terms are given, whole power 1 by 4 will come. Now let's focus on this time and distance related question. The difference between arithmetic mean and median of the first 7 consecutive natural numbers. So previous question bit easy one. Okay, speed is directly given. Right, so speed ratio is given. Distance and speed are directly proportional. So we know speed is 2 and 5. Distance should also be 2 is to 5 only. The car distance is mentioned. Okay, we are mapping same thing for the bus. Directly proportional. Right. And before the geometric mean, right? So we know the geometric mean for 2 terms is square root. If it is 3 terms, cube root. If it is 4 terms, let's say A, B, C, D, then we have whole power 4. Fourth root of product of A, B, C, D will come. If it is geometric mean, fourth root of A, B, C, D will come. For 4 terms. If it is regarding 4 terms, we'll get 4. So yeah, here, see first 7 consecutive natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Arithmetic mean is sum of terms divided by number of terms. Sum of terms, it's a natural number 7 into 8 divided by 2, which is nothing but 4. Arithmetic mean nothing but called as average. Average is sum of terms divided by number of terms. Right. Whereas median is nothing but called middle term. Median is nothing but called middle term. So the middle term is nothing but equal to 4. It's in proper order. In fact, both are equal, difference is 0. Keep in mind, already we discussed one point. If terms are in arithmetic progression, mean and median both are equal. Mean equal to median if terms are in arithmetic progression. Yeah, this is AP only, arithmetic progression only, AP. When terms are in AP, then automatically mean and median both are equal. Quartile deviation example also given, but not the same question. Similar example already given. Kindly work on it. What's the answer? Everyone solve this? So for this question, quartile deviation, first we need to put that in a proper order. 2, 4, 8, 16, 18, 24, 32. Number of terms is nothing but equal to 7. See, quartile deviation is nothing but Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. What is Q1 is nothing but n plus 1 divided by fourth term. That term. N plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 divided by 4 means second term. Whereas Q3 is nothing but 3 into n plus 1 divided by fourth term. 3 into n plus 1 divided by fourth term, which is nothing but sixth term. This will be okay. Now 24 minus 4, 20 divided by 2 is nothing but 10. So you can recall, okay, quartile deviation. So this is how you can handle it. N plus 1 term, 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4. Right, statistics related. This is how they are asking. One more question you can pick here. Statistics. Everyone try this question once. Fine. So first one, arithmetic mean. Virtual calculator allowed. Arithmetic mean nothing but sum of terms divided by number of terms. So number of terms is 6. P is okay. Apart from that, 23 plus 7 is 30. 30 and here 34. 64 plus 12, 76. Right. Whereas other one, okay, arithmetic mean for other terms is 41, but number of terms is 5. 37 plus 28, 65. 65 and here 95 means 160 plus q, right? We can calculate p and q. Here it's nothing but 205 and 160. Q is nothing but equal to 45. Here 96, 76. P is nothing but equal to 20, right? So now question is nothing but p plus q divided by p minus q. So 65 divided by q minus p, in fact 25. Okay, so we can multiply with 4 numerator, then divide by 100 is better. Denominator multiplied by 4 is nothing but 100. So we got 260 divided by 100, which is 2.6. Yeah, virtual calculator allowed, you can do that basic division and all. So we got 2.6. Perfect. See, arithmetic mean is given with P and Q unknowns. Your job is to calculate P value from this expression and from this data Q. Then they didn't stop it with that. You need to calculate P plus Q upon Q minus P. Our denominator is modulus. Q minus P actually. I written P minus Q or else I'll put modulus. Right. Let's see the next question. This is regarding areas and volume. Yeah, here diagram also exists. In a circular ground of radius 28 meters, the unshaded portion area in the circle represents forest. Unshaded portion. While the remaining part of the circle is available for construction purpose. So this is for forest. This is for forest, not available for construction. This is for construction purpose. Right. So construction purpose. See, total full cycle 360 degrees. Then area is pi r square. But here 300 degrees only. What is the area? Right. So radius is given. So we can simply go with pi into 28 square. From here to here, if you multiply by 5 and divide by 6. So if you divide this with 6, 60, 60 into 5 is 300. Here also multiply by 5 and divide by 6. Then here from pi r square for 360 degrees. If it is 300 degrees, this is okay divided by 6 and multiplied by 5 relation. Here also multiply by 5 and then divide by 6. Or divide by 6 and then multiply by 5. So we got this expression. So we need to cancel those terms. So they want simplification. Pi is 22 divided by 7. 28 square, split it like 28 into 28 into 5 divided by 6. 7 4 times. Right, so and here this is approximately they are given, no? So this is 11 to 11 times. Denominator is 3. Okay. Numerator 220 into 28 divided by 3. Approximately. Calculator allowed, don't waste time in exam. Right, so 44 into 28 into 5 divided by 3. We got 2053.33. Option D is fit. Virtual calculator allowed. Okay, basic calculations you can use there and you can do it. Aitha perfect, Janardha perfect. Good. Right, so fine. And related to ages, you see this question. Ranjit present age is half of his brother Manjit's age after 10 years. After 5 years, the ratio of ages of Manjit and Ranjit will be 7:5. Right. Now find Ranjit age 2 years ago. So guys, present Ranjit age is half of Manjit age after 10 years. His brother means don't think Ranjit brother is more age, okay, maybe younger brother or elder brother, right? Okay, so fine. That's one relationship here we got. 2r equal to m plus 10. Next, one more. After 5 years. This after 5 years is given at first. That's common for both Manjit and Ranjit. So Manjit after 5 years, Ranjit after 5 years. The relationship is 7 by 5. Now you have two equations. Okay, you can convert Manjit in terms of Ranjit because you want Ranjit age only. So I can write Manjit as 2r minus 10 plus 5. Okay, divide by r plus 5 equal to 7 by 5. So few steps you should think in your mind, few only on paper. That's actually competitive exams, any placements, any competitive exam, that's mindset we need to fix. So here 10r, 7r, 3r, here minus 5 into 5 is minus 25, here 35. So yeah, we'll send to other side. Minus 25 will come to this side. Plus 25 and 35 means 60. Okay, Ranjit age presently 20. Present age is 20. The question is 2 years ago. You have 20 options. That's 20 is available in options, but you want 2 years ago, which is nothing but equal to 18. Right. Janardhan and Aditya hope audio and video, screen sharing and audio both perfect, right? No issues, right? Janardhan perfect. 2 years ago, we need to be careful. 2 years ago is the question, not present age. Right. Now see the next question. Pretty much similar to this. We have discussed already certain questions. 12 kilometer downstream and 6 kilometer upstream in 3 hours. Time is distance by speed. 1 kilometer downstream plus 6 kilometer upstream in 3 hours. Next, 10 kilometer downstream plus 16 kilometer upstream, 50% extra time for 3, 50% half of that is 1.5, means 4.5 hours it is taken. It's nothing but 10 divided by SD plus 16 divided by SU equal to 4.5. To make it integer format for better doing, I'll write this multiply by 2, entire equation multiply by 2. Timing in numbers is better now. So 20 by SD plus 32 by SU equal to 9. So guys, you can do trial and error. What can be suitable for this? In fact, always SD should be greater than SU, right? SD should be greater than SU. Or in fact, better I can give one more idea. Okay, if we can divide by 3, 3 once, 3 2 times, 3 4 times. So 4 upon SD plus 2 upon SU equal to 1. Now satisfying these two expressions you can try. Okay, so actually your job is to calculate 1 by SD, 1 by SU, SD and SU speed because they given finally time taken for 20 kilometer downstream and Z kilometer upstream is 4 hours. 20 kilometer downstream and Z kilometer upstream is 4 hours. What is Z value? So the question is for 20 kilometer downstream plus Z kilometer upstream is already equal to 4. You have to calculate Z value. First thing we need to find, okay, SD and SU or 1 by SD and 1 by SU. Better I can give you the idea to solve this type of questions. No equation also 1 by SD let it be equal to A, 1 by SU let it be equal to B. Then what will happen? This is 4A plus 2B equal to 1. This is 20A plus 32B equal to 9. You want 20A plus ZB equal to 4. Here we can calculate that A and B values. How, sir? Multiply this equation with 5. Then 20A plus 10B equal to 5. You can get B value is nothing but A will get cancelled. No? So B is nothing but 4 upon 22, 2 upon 11. 2 upon 11 is nothing but B. Then what is A value? B is 2 upon 11 means 4 upon 11 here. 1 minus 4 upon 11 is 7 upon 11. So 7 by 44. A will be equal to 7 divided by 44. 7 divided by 44. So 20A, okay, 4 11 times, 4 5 times, 5 into 7 35. 35 divided by 11. So guys, I got 4 already, means 40. This can be right side 4, denominator 11 is common, right side 4 can be written as 44 divided by 11. So I have already 35, I want 9 extra in numerator. 35 plus 9 is 44. 2z should be equal to 9. So z is nothing but equal to 4.5. See this typical equation. See my job done when I create equation and this is what you need to calculate. But there you need to simplify. A lot of people will think I'll do it, but when you will do, that's very important for us. When you will do is important. Right. So answer here is 4.5. We got 2z is nothing but equal to 9. Z is 4.5. For easy process, we taken 1 upon SD is A, 1 upon SU is B. Here also 1 upon SD, 1 upon SU like that. So things will be simplified. Right. Okay. Now see the next one. See, divisibility, number systems, LCM, HCF, divisibility. In number systems, no other concept. We need to much focus on number systems. In that LCM and HCF divisibility. One question guarantee, probably two questions also sometimes. One from this area, one from that area. Divisible by 99 means a number should be divided by 9, a number should be divided by 11. For divided by 9, the rule is sum of digits. For the sum of digits. What is sum of digits here? 8 plus 7, 15. 9 you don't count at all. 9 waste. It's definitely divided by 9, no waste of time, don't count. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 8, 29. In that 29, again 9 waste. 2 only you take. 2 plus x plus y plus z. This should be divided by 9. So I can try x plus y plus z equal to 7. But if I take 7, root 7, there is no option. Okay. Or I can try x plus y plus z is equal to 16. Why, sir? 2 plus 16, 18. 18 is divided by 9. So root 16 equal to 4. Guys, with that I got 4 as the answer already. 5 is not okay. This is no. I'm just giving you trial and error also. This is not possible. Why, sir? X plus, as per this, x plus y plus z equal to 5. This indicates x plus y plus z equal to 5. No, we are not happy with that because 5 plus 2, 7, 7 is not divided by 9. Waste. Okay, so this is eliminated because of that reason. So why can't this? Means x plus y plus z equal to 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 38 is not divided by 9. Eliminated. Why can't this, sir? You send this 3 inside. 3 square into 3. 3 square is 9. 9 into 3, 27 will come. 27 will be there. Okay, so 27 plus 2, 20, yep, 9. 29 is not divisible, right? So simple. You can do trial and error. Trial and error. I'm not checking divided by 11. With divided by 9, only one option available, satisfying that, right? Okay, so perfect. Hope everybody is clear with the inputs. Series 13th question. A flask is filled with 20% acid. 49 ml is taken out and is replaced with 40% acid and makes it 27% acid. See, acid here, again acid, finally acid. This is mixing. We are doing mixtures and allegations. Mixing is happening, right? See, focus only on acid here. If we focus on acid, acid 20% initially, now 40% acid is added, finally it becomes 27%. The combined one should be in the middle. 20% acid, for that 40% acid is mixed. The result is 27%. The mixing, okay, this is mixtures and allegations. I hope people know this butterfly diagram. Take difference, put in opposite side. Take difference, put in opposite side. Mixtures allegation concept, we believe that we people know that, okay, why this butterfly diagram. Take difference, put in opposite side. Difference means always it should be a positive one. So when there is 13 initially, we have to mix 7. Initially 13 ml is available means then 7 ml is added. But my difference, listen, you added 49 ml. Guys, listen here. This represents 49 ml. You added 14 ml quantity. For 13 ml quantity, 7 ml should be added. This is 49 means into 7 happened. Here also into 7 should be happened. So 91 ml of quantity is available. Now question, find the initial volume. Okay, so fine. Guys, initial volume is 140, 91 plus 49. See, from 140 ml, 49 ml removed, say solution is taken out, then 49 ml of acid is added. Here only acid I am talking about. Say acid 20% initially, then 40%. Okay, then finally mixing 27%, right? So the difference is 13. This difference is 7. 13 and 7. Okay, so this 7 represent 49 into 7. This 13 should represent into 7, 91 ml. Right, so initially 91 plus this 49, 140 ml is there. From that 49 ml removed and then replaced with 40% of acid. It's mixes and allegation related stuff. That's hope I'm audible. If anyone have access. Let's see about next question regarding simple interest. So the simple interest on a sum 3650 at some rate. After 4 years is 584. You have to calculate rate of interest. This is very dead easy for everybody. I equal to PTR by 100. Yeah, see, don't expect all questions are difficult. For any competitive exam, okay, any placements, 60 to 70% are easy and moderate. 60 to 70% are easy and moderate. So you can you can do the things easily. 146 and here pi 2 times 573 times 2 times. So I think you got R value 4. Cancelling all those, we can say R is nothing but equal to 4. 4% is the answer. Now says next question. Selling at 5 by 6th of its marked price results in 10% loss. What is the profit or loss if a discount of 5% is offered? Right, see, already you got loss 5 by 6th. Right, see, listen. Selling price equal to 5 by 6th of marked price, not on cost price. Then you got 10% loss. Right. Now what you can do? Okay, this is question. Now percentages, profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest ratios, don't go for X and all. Always try with numbers. What way, sir? Let us consider marked price equal to 60. Why you taken 60, sir? I have to divide by 6, no? Then selling price will be equal to 50 because 5 by 6 of marked price 50. Sir, how 60, sir? This is my assumption. This is my assumption. Cost price you have to increase, then marked price will come, then selling price. Here in this situation, you got 10% loss. You got 10% loss. So selling price equal to 90% of cost price. Selling price is less than cost price. Here 50, 90% means 90 divided by 100. This 0 cancel. Cost price. So cost price is 500 divided by 9. Cost price is 500 divided by 9. 500 divided by 9. Cost price. Right. Okay. Now, guys, they are announcing 5% discount. Listen, careful, be careful. The cost price, it's fixed 500 by 9. Marked price is 60. Only always thing happen is discount can be changed. Now discount is 5%, they are giving discount. Now whether it is profit or loss, if it is loss, what percentage loss? Now selling price is 60 minus 10% is 6, 5% is 3, selling price is 57. In terms of divided by 9, multiply by 9 and divide by 9 for a better visualization. Multiply by 9 and divide by 9. So if you multiply numerator with 9, 7, 9, 63, okay, 45 and 6, 5, 13. You can see loss, loss, profit, profit, right? Profit 13 by 9. See, it's not about loss, profit. Profit is there. It seems 2.6. So profit is 13 by 9. What is profit percentage? Profit should be calculated with respect to cost price. So 13 divided by 9, whole divide 500 by 9, 9 get cancelled into 100. Okay, this is 13 divided by 5, 2.6% profit. 13 divided by 5, 2.6% profit. Cost price, market price, this is cost price to selling price. So answer is 2.6. Profit, not loss. typical question, right? So here they're given in a different style. Is it? See 16th one. See, 20% of the apples are rotten, gone, and remaining apples are sold at 20% discount. And yeah, the seller gets 92% profit on the cost price of the whole. By what percent above the cost price you should mark? See, cost price you need to increase, then marked price is there. How much percentage increase? And still, after giving 20% discount, okay, so, okay, the selling price should be 92% profit. And one more problem in this question, 20% are already gone. 20% of the apples are already rotten, right? So what I will suggest you, go with the assumption. Go with the assumption. How, sir? Let us say 100 apples, one apple cost equal to 20. We go with numbers, easy, right? So 100 apples, one apple cost 20 means the amount cost price is 2000. Cost price is 2000. 100 apples, one apple 20. Listen, listen. Now 92% profit means selling price should be 192% of cost price. 192 divided by 100 into 2000. Okay, those things will get cancelled. We'll get 3840. That is after 20% discount. This 3840 is after 20% discount. So what I can give here, selling price is equal to 80% of marked price because of 20% discount. So 3840 is nothing but 80 divided by 100 into MB. This zero get cancelled. 8 4 times 32, 6 remainder 8 times. So marked price is 4800. Wait, don't conclude. The answer is not completed. Answer is not completed. Listen, here 100 apples. Here 100 apples. But here 80 apples only. My dear friend, listen. Here 80 apples only. Why, sir? That is extra point. 20% are gone, rotten. 20% of the apples are gone. So out of 100 apples, 80 apples only you have right now. 80 apples you have to sell it for 4800 means, see, one apple, one apple cost price is 20, but 80 apples marked price is 4800 means one apple marked price is 60, tripled, the amount is tripled means 200% increase. When the amount is triple, 200% increase. How, sir? See, what is the percentage increase here? How much increased? 20 becomes 60 means 40 increased with respect to initial one into 100, which is 200% increase. Triple means 200% increase. Guys, see the question. Excellent question from TCS again. There is again some new point you can understand. 100 apples we are assuming, and one apple 20. This is all my assumption. From there, okay, total 2000 rupees. You want 92% profit means 3840 should be your amount. Then back to the other point. Okay, you have 80 apples. Okay, because 20 are rotten, 20 are gone. Right? So understand the question and apply the knowledge accordingly. Right? Got it? Now see the next one. Now, pretty much similar to that, we discussed one question, but not the same. Similar one we already discussed. Let us see how many of you can give the answer for 17th question. Physics, mass, entire area 100%. Physics pass 62, mass pass 60. Physics pass is 62, mass pass is 60. Passed both is 37%. Failed both. This is total area is 100. This area 62. This will be 25%. What is this 25%? Is only passed physics. This total 60. This is 37. This is 23. 23 is passed only mathematics. Now this 3 is regarding passed one or more subjects. This entire 3, if you figure out, okay, this all 3, 62 plus 23, 85% passed at least one subject. Passed at least one subject. Right. Failed both is out of these two circles, which is not in these two circles, is 15% is not there. These people failed both. 15% failed both. Passed physics, passed math 62 and 60, passed both is 37. So only physics passed is 25, only maths passed is 23. 15% failed. So passed at least one is 85%. Yes. But question failed both 15. Entire area, you see this in terms of area concept. And this is an excellent question. Price of petrol increases by 35% and Rajesh can spend only 20% extra. So how much percentage approximately he need to reduce the quantity of petrol? Yeah, previously petrol cost is something, now petrol cost increased 35%, but he can offer only 20% extra. You have budget extra 20% only, not much. Right. So by what percentage he should reduce? That's very simple. Don't worry. See, your budget, your expenses, expenditure, price, consumption, expenditure, price, consumption. Expenditure is directly proportional to price into consumption. When price increases, your budget will increase. In fact, directly equal to, no need to mention, expenditure equal to price into consumption, no need of that proportionality as well, equal to. Right. Now see how the question is going on. Concept. See, I have 100 rupees in my pocket, 100 rupees, right? Price increased as expenditure directly proportional to price. As price increase, expenses also increase by same way 135 become. But in question they clearly said I can offer only 20% extra. I cannot offer much. I can offer only 20% extra. Means 120. See, if you want same quantity, if you want previously 1 liter, now also 1 liter, you need to spend 135 rupees. Why don't you don't have 135, you have only 120 in your pocket. So now, how can I decrease the price? Expenditure is directly proportional to consumption. So if consumption decrease, expenses will decrease. Expenditure is directly proportional to price, expenditure is directly proportional to consumption. Initially price increase, expenses increase. But why 120 sir? Why 120 sir? I can offer only additional 20%. I have just 20 rupees extra. I don't have much. But if I want 1 liter, previously 100, now 135, I don't get 1 liter now. As I have only 120, I'll get less than. That's what reduction in quantity. Previously 1 liter, now I don't get 1 liter. So reducing 135 to 120 is what percentage decrease. Okay, 135 expenses bringing back to 120 is what percentage decrease in expenses. So 15 decreased from 135. From where? Initially percentage decrease, percentage consumption, sorry. Consumption decrease or quantity decrease. Percentage of consumption decrease is okay. How much decrease? With respect to initial into 100 will give approximately 11%. They asked approximately 11, exactly equal to 11 1 by 9. 11.11111. They asked approximately, and you can see option available is 11%. Right. Data sufficiency question related to okay ratios given here. It is very easy question. Total number of students I want. One alone not possible because it's only recording boys they given. Two alone not possible because they given only ratio of girls and boys is 2:5. Together it's possible. Together it's possible. How sir? Together, okay, girls and boys are 2:5. In question, boys are 20. Here relationship is into 4. Then girls also into 4. 8 girls will be there. 8 plus 20. 28 are the total strength. Yeah, total number of students, we can clearly give 20 as the answer. 28, sorry. We can find. In fact, there is no need to do all this calculation. Our job is simple. Okay, can we do it or not? Yes, we can do. Data sufficiency question. One alone, two alone, no. Together, yes. Manish Babu, good. Aditya, good. Janardhan, good. Now, divisibility related. Is this divided by 11 as virtual calculator allowed? You people can find. Okay, if we divide and we got integer, then you can do this question easily, right? As virtual calculator allowed, this can be done easily. So for other exams, okay, if suppose similar question if they given, how to handle divided by 11, 9 and all. So for 9, sum of digits. See this logic, what I am doing, everyone check it out. For divided by 9, 9 don't calculate. 5 plus 4 is 9, don't calculate. 9 don't calculate. 1 plus 1 plus 7 is 9. Wish. So we'll get sum of digits is like 4, not divided by 9. So 2 failed. I don't want 2 options, so 2 fail. Divided by 9 fail. Divided by 12 also it will fail actually. Divided by 9 fail, divided by 3 fail. So divided by 12 will fail because Divide by 3 and 4, then only divided by 12 will satisfy. When this fail, this will fail. So I don't want 3 also in option. So option D, we'll check divided by 11 now. Right, divided by 11 yet to be checked. So how to check divided by 11, sir? So sum of alternate digits and remaining digits. 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4, which is nothing but 11. 9 plus 4 plus 4, sorry, 9 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2, 13, 20, 22. So the difference 22 and 11, okay, is equal to 11 divided by 11. This is, yeah, see the sum of alternate digits and remaining digits summation. Those internal difference should be divided by 11 means fine. So it's divided by 11. So first one, okay. If this is equal to 0, if this is equal to 11, 22 like that, it's divided by 11 only. Fine, let's see about few questions related to reasoning. 20 questions in quant done. Let's see about the reasoning stuff. Decision making or eligibility criteria. I think we discussed the same question already. Laptop buying less than 38,000 price and all. 36,000, 16 GB RAM. Okay, all fine. But C is not satisfied. Yeah, I think this is a different question. C not satisfied. For C, there is no exception. Exception for A, exception for B is okay. But C, it's Pentium 8 processor, but we want Intel processor. C failed. This is small modification. C failed. When C failed, there is no exception as well. He will not buy the laptop. C failed. C condition failed. There is no exception if C failed. He will not buy the laptop. Right. Next one. I believe you people already have idea in this we discussed. Two pairs having same weight, same transformation. You pick you pick the pairs where it is having same transformation. I believe it may be AB or BC or AC combination because yeah AB or BC because it seems like first letter is same in both. First two letters. Is it or not? First two letters they kept same in both. Plant here PL. ZMG, okay, we'll work on it. Whereas mango, MANTL, it seems A and B is correct. For black, BLBDP, no, this is no. Okay, so what is this? The first two letters are same. Next is pairs, opposite pairs. See, if you write A to Z, Z to A. So this is actually pairs, reverse. AZ is one pair, BY is one pair, CX is one pair. So what is this pairs specialty is sum of those two is equal to 27. Ajaruddin, Narendra Modi ji, sum of those two should be equal to 27. Right, okay, here Gujarat Titans GT 20 plus 7, 27. This is 15 and 12, 27 summation. 14 and 13, 27 summation. This is 7 and 20. These are opposite pairs we call. So these three are opposite pairs. If anyone don't know regarding opposite pairs, so easy thing what you can do to learn is write A to M, only A to M, then N to reverse. From N onwards, you write reverse. This is called opposite pairs actually. AZ, ZA, BY, YB, CX, DW, MN, NM. These are opposite pairs. And in fact, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 13, N value 14. And wrong term related also, right? So see next one. This is some of that you can observe clearly 27, 27, 27. WD or DW 27, MN or NM 27 like that. This is actually called opposite pairs. A and B. Now wrong term in this. Every set you can see this type of questions are given. So guys, learn. Which is trouble. If I go with middle letter, 1, 5, 9, 15, 21. So here plus 4, here plus 4, then plus 6, then plus 6. Okay, fine, let it be, let it be. Then take last letter, no problem. P, Q, R, S, T. That is fine. First letter we need to worry. L, O, Q, S, U. Here this is 12, 15, 17, 19, 21. Here 2 gap, here 2 gap, here 2 gap. Here 3 gap. Instead of L, we need some other exam. So first one itself is what a trouble. Okay, that's one way. Any other logic to eliminate? No, actually middle one is vowels. So guys, okay, this is out. This you throw it out. Option B is correct. Don't see plus 4, all this stuff actually. Okay, very simple logic. Middle is vowels actually. A, E, I, O, U. Middle letters are vowels. Okay, only problem B. It's damn sure B is the one. We want two difference. Okay, this is the problem. Instead of L, we need C, M. Middle is vowels. Last letter is P, Q, R, S, T in reverse. Perfect, right? Middle one is vowels. No doubt in that. Now, data sufficiency. A routine case. With two alone not possible. It's clear. One alone also not possible. Together only because see it's very clear picture. Two alone. B is left of D. And that's not there, okay, because they're asking second to the right of D. Okay, two alone not possible in fact, but we have to try one alone. One alone, we have only 5 people, 5 slots. Yeah. Here, A sits immediate right of E. E, immediate right is A. E is not neighbor of D. E is not neighbor of D. D can come here or D can come here. Possibilities, right? So I'm writing D dash means D place is not fixed. So one alone also not possible. There are two chances for D to occur. Right, so one alone not possible. Now if you go for together, B is immediate left of D. B is immediate left of D, then still together also not sufficient. Is there any option E? Okay. A sits to the immediate right of E. E is not neighbor of D. So D can come here or here. Now B is to the left of D, immediate left of D. So wherever D is there, B should be immediate left. So D cannot put here, D should be here. So together, I can go like this. Together, okay. So S1 plus S2. Now I'm going with together possible B here. So who is second to the right of the entire arrangement completed? Second right or third right, fourth right, any right you can calculate. That's not an issue, as it is formed, done. Everybody is arranged. Okay. Next one, who got second highest? One alone, two alone, together not sufficient, either one or two. Okay, so later we'll focus on the options. So guys, see here. Can you do one alone? Can you do two alone? P scores better than T and Q. Who scores better than S? This who related to Q? Second highest. P is better than T and Q. It can be 2TQ or QT. And Q is better than S. Okay. R scores better than P. S is better than U. Now, RP fixed, QSU okay, but there are multiple things will come. So one is one arrangement. Using one alone, I'm talking only one alone. So one alone, you got like R, P, T, Q, S, U. That's one arrangement. The other arrangement is R, P, Q, S, U, okay. T can be here, T can be here, T can be here. There are many other arrangements. So one alone, fine, but question is second highest, right? Second highest is fixed, right? See, this all play people are fighting for the remaining. This is first place, this is second place. Second place is fixed. I can say one alone, okay. One alone, okay. Two alone, sir. Two alone, sir. Two alone. S is better than at least 1%. It may be more than one, minimum one are okay, two people are more than that also. P is better than S and T. P is better than S and T. So it can be PTS or it can be PST or it can be PTS two blanks. So, but still, I am not able to solve using two alone. I cannot decide, but one alone I can decide who is second highest. Second lowest I have a doubt, but second highest can be decided using one alone. Lowest, okay, cannot be decided. It can be T or it can be U, but I can decide who is second highest. Very clear. Right. So answer is one alone is sufficient. See the stuff. Data sufficiency, many people I am promising you now, many people will do mistakes in exam. But you believe your answer is correct, but you will end with wrong answer. Focus on what they are asking. Right? Perfect. And this is a very routine model for you. How is R related to N? I start with R only. I don't worry about F. Maybe we'll see in the future. R percentage K. Read properly. R is I wife. R is I's wife. R is I wife. Okay. Next, I divided by E. Guys, I divided by E. See, this order is reverse. E is I's mother. Next, E percentage N is N's wife. So E is I's mother. Read properly. E is I's mother and N's wife. Okay. How is R related to N? Son, N, son wife. Son wife means daughter-in-law. R is daughter-in-law of N. Son wife. Your son wife is nothing but daughter-in-law. DIL. Daughter-in-law. Right. Next one, what should be generally followed? They'll give relationship. They'll find which equation among options is okay. Let us see is that there or not. No, no, but they given correct conclusion to be drawn. Guys, big data. Be careful. R plus A, R is grandson of A. R is grandson for A. So A son or daughter son. Fine. Next A into E. This is, be careful. This is reverse. E is only child of A. E is only child of A. Reverse. This is reverse. This is also reverse. Two in reverse, remaining all directly. So E is only child of A. But male or female, we don't know. So fine. Next, E at the rate F. E is F father. E is father for F. E is F's father. Yeah. Next, hash. F hash J. There is some. E is F's father. Okay, why I decided F gender? Wait, yeah. E is F's father. I cannot decide F gender at that time. Next, F is daughter of G. F is already child of E. F is daughter of G means E and G must be married couple. Okay. Finally, G is T sister. G is sister of T. G is sister of T. Okay. Now, what can be the correct conclusion? A gender, T gender, I don't know. R is son of G. Correct only. R is father of T. No. R is actually sister, son, nephew. R is nephew of T actually, not father of T. E is mother of T. No, E is brother-in-law. Sister, husband, brother-in-law. This should be brother-in-law. To correct this, this should be brother-in-law. If this you want, this should be nephew. If you want to correct it. F is daughter of A. No, granddaughter. A granddaughter. Son, daughter, granddaughter. So that is why remaining all are wrong. But we are not without routine case. They'll give an equation like that, right? So, and fine. So visual based questions, image based questions, visual reasoning. So first pair, some logic apply same thing for the second pair. This came to this side. And you observe one focus here. This line, this is parallel to that. This line, this is parallel to that. When to opposite side, fine. But this is parallel to this. So when to opposite side and be parallel to that, right? So I think it's very clear, only first option. Remaining all are doing some wrong things. We need one of that. This is blindly ignored, blindly ignored. Among 1 and 2, we got the clarity. Next one, syllogism related stuff. They're given 3 statements followed by 2 conclusions. Which is correct, which is wrong, you need to decide. Some books are cars, no bus is a car. Some books are cars, no bus is a car. It may connect to book, no bus is a car. Some cars are motors. I can draw like this. This is one diagram. Or many people have in your mind, some books are cars. No bus is a car. Some cars are motors. This is also okay. Some cars are motors. No bus is a car. Some books are cars. This is few right now. We'll see which is true in all cases. Both they didn't mention anywhere. It should be neither nor or okay either or. Right. So that to third one, yeah, first conclusion. Second conclusion, some books are buses. True here. Here, no books are buses. Second one, fail. Let's see about first one. Some motors are not buses. Here, this is motor, not involved in bus. Here, all motors are not bus. See, all motors are not bus. Not bus is also, whenever all is there, some is correct. Some motors are not bus, we can take. Whenever all is there, some is okay. When you got all, some can be taken granted, but reverse is not okay. When all students are good, students in my class are good. Students in my class means some students. When all is there, some can be taken, but reverse is not okay. So first one true so far, but second one not true in any of the diagrams. Right, so some motors are not buses they given. Right, so definitely when you try all other diagrams as well, see some people will try this diagram, some book okay, we'll give two more diagrams. Some books are cars, so one is this. Some books are cars, no car is bus. Some cars are motors. Here this is motor but not involved in bus, and here first one true, second one fail. When both true at a time, either are not possible. Both true at a time, either are not possible. Second one failed in one diagram. Okay, so second one not possible. It should be only one follows or neither one, not two. It's not or not. Neither one, not two follows, or we should go with okay, only one follows. I'll give one more diagram. Okay, some, because when you're giving, some books are cars, right? So some books are cars. No car is bus. Some cars are motors. Now here also no motor is bus. So I can say some motors are not bus. First one true. Second one, some books are buses. Yeah, some part of books are occupied by buses. Second one also true. Yeah, obviously first one true in every diagram. What are the different methods? So only one follows. We're sharing this PDF, so no worries. Okay, take care. Right, so we'll see the next. Right, yeah. Assumptions, statements and assumptions. Assumption is a positive way of handling the situation. So what, while giving that statement, what that person is assuming, country X will talk on every issue and try to resolve every conflict with its neighboring country. If in country X, yeah, any issue they want, any conflicts they want to resolve. So they want peaceful relationship. Yeah, country X will appear weaker than the neighboring country if it tries to solve them. See, this is not that thing, no. If you're trying to talk and resolve, it's not weaker. See, some people will use that. That's not the. This is wrong way of assumption. First one, right? Only one is implicit. This is not conclusion. Conclusion means definitely true. But your assumption while giving the statement, what that person assuming, country X will talk to the other country To resolve issue, it's not about they are weaker. They don't want to lose. They don't want to lose any person, right? So for peaceful relationship, yeah, that can be concluded. Not like they are going to lose something, right? Okay, assumption. Next, this one, which is possible among options. We know cubes and dice, one question. Alternate, vertically or horizontal, alternate or opposite. So F and B are opposite, E and C are opposite, A and D are opposite pairs. Alright. So we know among opposite pairs, both visible, that's not correct. A and D both opposite, but here both are visible. The reason to eliminate is A and D. So fourth one not required, option D eliminated. E and C both visible is also not okay. They are opposite pairs, both should not be visible. This is also out. 2 is guaranteed because 2 is available in both. Now I have to check first one. Among A and D, A only visible. Among B and F, B only visible. Among E and C, E only visible. Okay, 1 and 2. Second one, again you check. Among E and C, E only visible. Among A and D, D only visible. Among F and B, F only visible. One among that visible is okay. One among that is visible is absolutely fine. Both visible is problem. Among opposite pairs, only one visible, both visible is not okay. C is the correct answer. Now again, statements and conclusions. All runs are overs. Some overs are boards. All runs are overs. Some overs are boards. All runs are overs. Some overs are boards. Some part of overs are boards. All runs are overs. Some overs are boards. Many other way of doing, but fine. All bats are runs. No, it's fail. All bats are runs. First one fail, second one true. Here, all bats are runs. No, first one fail. No bat is run, second one fail. When both fail, directly go for neither nor. One diagram both failed, blindly go for neither nor. Either or means one among that is true always. Here, sir, first one true, second one wrong. Go with either or, sir. One true, first one false. First one true, second one false. No, but it's failed in one diagram, right? It's failed in one diagram, right? So here, first one false, second one true. But see this, this is special. This is special where both fail. When both fail at a time, right? So we can go no bat is run. So when you can see that neither nor. Got it? Fine.